Everyone shows you a 5-second AI clip. Nobody shows you how to make a full minute, so I did it in 3 different free generators. I'm using the end frame trick to build a 1-minute plus video in Google Flow, Dola, and ByteDance, and showing you exactly how each one looks. By the end, you'll know which free generator actually holds up over a long video, because some of these fall apart fast. Stick around, one of them genuinely surprised me. Last video I showed you the best free AI video generators, but the videos made there weren't longer than 8 seconds. Pretty short if you want to use them for videos, right? So this is the sequel. We're going long in all of them. 3 tools, 1 method, 3 1-minute videos, head to head. Let's go. Here's the entire trick because we're using it 3 times. Every generator caps you at a few seconds. So you generate a clip, screenshot the exact last frame, and feed that frame back in as the start of the next clip. It continues from where it left off, seamlessly. Do that a few times, stitch them together, and boom, a full minute from a tool that only gives you seconds. And say, continues from previous frame, consistent character and lighting in every prompt so it doesn't drift. Now let's put it through the first generator. 2 quick things. 1, subscribe. I post free AI workflows like this every week. And 2, I made a free PDF guide with every prompt and the exact step-by-step for all of this. It's totally free in the description, go grab it. Number 1 is Google Flow. This is the one built for long form, so I had high hopes. I chained a cinematic scene out to a full minute, and honestly, it holds together the best. Flow has a native extend button that keeps the motion consistent, so the character barely drifts. The native sound is a bonus. Anyway, after all those generations and a little bit of waiting, I got something like this.
Analyzing biomass. Unique crystalline organic structures detected. Confirmed. Approach with caution, scanning for toxins. Analyzing target. Unknown origin. Structure is immense. Maintaining distance. They're reacting. The power is returning.
Impossible. It's been dormant for millennia.
I come in peace. Greetings, traveler.
Pretty cool, right? Micro summary. Google Flow equals most consistent over a full minute, best for long form. But can a smaller tool like Dola keep up? Let's see. Generator 2, Dola. Different vibe, and I wasn't sure it'd survive a full minute. Same end frame method, screenshot, reseed, repeat. Dola's clips look great individually, and chained together it gets you there, but you can see it drift a little more than Flow around the halfway point. Prompt it with same product, consistent lighting every chain, and it tightens up. I think it still looks fabulous, take a look yourself. Personally, I think Dola works for a full minute. Great looks, just watch the drift. Now the one everyone's been hyping for cinematic quality, ByteDance. This is the one I was most excited for. ByteDance/Seedance, it's known for that Hollywood cinematic character look. And over a full minute, it's the best looking of the 3. The character acting and film grain texture are unreal. The catch, The clip limits are tighter, so you're chaining more times to hit a minute. More work, but the payoff is the most cinematic result here. Let me show you what I have.
I should have seen it coming.
To sum up, ByteDance equals best cinematic quality, but more chaining to get there. So which one actually won? First, the problem you'll hit once you've made all this. Here's that problem. Now you've got 4 one-minute videos, and you've got to post them everywhere. YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Reels, different sizes, every day. That's hours. Repurpose.io fixes that problem. Publish once and it auto-reformats and pushes your videos to every platform on autopilot, so your content actually gets seen instead of sitting in a folder. You pick where your content comes from and where it goes. Links in the description, free to start. Now, the verdict. So the verdict: Google Flow for consistency, ByteDance for the best cinematic look, and Dola for a solid middle ground. My overall pick for a long video: Flow for reliability, ByteDance if you want it to look like a film. Comment which one you thought looked best and what I should make a 1-minute video of next. Grab the free PDF guide with all these prompts in the description, and the first video in this series is right here. Because once you can go a full minute, you're not making clips anymore, you're making actual films. And next, I will show you how you can make long songs in any genre. See you there!